Emily en Lisa. Vrijdagavond schitterden ze met hun versie van Muse en Feeling Good. Het is hoog tijd dat de mensen die dat nog niet gehoord hebben, dat daar dringend verandering in komt. Dames, heel veel plezier. Hier zijn Lisa en Emily met Feeling Good.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. With running free, you know how I feel. Blossom in the trees, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies all having fun, you know what I mean. Sleep in peace when the day is done, and this old world is a new world and a bold world for me. Stars when you shine, you know how I feel. Scent of the pine, you know how I feel. Oh, freedom is mine, and you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good.
Oh, en ze kussen elkaar. Kijk.
Hallo.
Meisjes, het was geweldig. Echt supergoed gedaan. En dank je wel om te komen naar de studio.
Jij bedankt.
Ben ik goed van.
Goedemorgen. Q-Music. For you.